Infrared radiation is often referred to as thermal radiation. It is commonly emitted by glowing objects such as metal or glass. Infrared waves have longer wavelengths than visible light and are therefore not visible to the human eye. This electromagnetic spectrum ranges from 780 nanometers to 1 million nanometers. When infrared radiation penetrates human tissue, damage can occur. The following principle applies. The greater the wavelengths, the smaller the depths of penetration into the tissue. Regular exposure of our eyes to infrared radiation can cause irreversible damage, such as cataracts. In applications where it is necessary to look into glowing objects, such as during glass manufacturing for a longer period of time, even at short intervals, appropriate protective eyewear should be worn. This also applies if the radiation source is not perceived as strongly blinding or unpleasantly warm. Infrared radiation is therefore dangerous to the eyes in that it is not immediately perceived and can cause long-term eye damage. Uvex IREX is our new infrared protection, a filter that meets the European EN 170, 169 and 171 standards, as well as the American ANSI Z87.1 and the Japanese JIS T8141 standard. The newly developed Uvex IREX filter technology incorporates a gray lens rather than the commonly used blue or green filter, which brings the added advantage of full signal color recognition as well as neutral color vision. Wherever you work with hot or glowing objects, so welders would probably be the most obvious, but also in the glass industry, in foundries and metal processing where there are heat treatments, and forging, as well as in industrial paint drying areas in the automotive industry. The EN 171 infrared protection standard is much more demanding in terms of infrared absorption. So only a very low transmission value in the infrared range may be achieved. Transmission describes the light transmittance of an object, in our case, the lens. The darker the lens is, the more light is absorbed. And compared to welding protection, infrared protection, according to EN 171, offers significantly higher infrared absorption with the same transmission in the visual range.